category question was, does type of music listened to most frequently affect reaction time? I'm Justin.
And I'm Brandon. Okay, you might wonder why we chose such seemingly unrelated variables to compare our studies. Well, actually, music is everywhere. I mean, nowadays we have iPods and all this technology. You play music at any time. And there are many factors unknown that music may or may not affect. Many studies have been done involving reaction time versus music, which has been studied by Susan Strick, who was researching music versus reaction time, and a group study with 4 different scientists about music amplitude and reaction to unexpected events. Our procedure. 50 IMSA students were surveyed anonymously and willingly, and we asked them their favorite genre of music and gave them a reaction test, which they took 5 times in order to get an average stat. And then we performed a correlation analysis using Excel.
Okay, this is our graph of the percentage of music types out of the 50 IMSA students. As you can see, all of the percentages are relatively close. All of them are within a range of 15%. And we got, since there are a lot of music types out there, we generalized them into 6 different categories based on the most popular responses. And this is our second graph, the mean reaction time and the music type most frequently listened to. As you can see, the error bar for minutes of the error bars, there was a really high error bar for rock, and all of them, again, the means are relatively close to each other. The results for our correlation analysis, our R value was 0.267917. Our degrees of freedom was 48, and our P value was 0.273.
And our null hypothesis was that there was no significant correlation between music and the music most frequently listened to by a person and the reaction time. And our R value was 0.2679 approximately, which was less than 0.361, meaning our null hypothesis was accepted and there's no significant correlation between music listened to and reaction time.
The results of our experiment agreed with the group study by the 3 people, and problems that we ran into were that the ranges of music types and the mean reaction times were too close, so we couldn't really make a sufficient conclusion. And because there are a lot of different types of music, it had a tendency to vary, and also the large error bars like solutions for a possible future experiment where we could pick specific music categories that we could use beforehand, and also we could use a larger sample size because we only sampled 50 students. And also there were studies done about the efficiency of the test reaction time on sound reaction test and visual reaction test. We used the sound reaction test. And also we could also ask other questions, use other variables such as the average time spent listening to music,